So I was trying to figure out I was out scanning a intersection, and I'm not a surveyor, and I didn't have a surveyor with me, but I wanted to figure out, I found some monuments. So I was on the site, and I would see these little monuments here. So I knew some buddies here at SOMAS, so I asked them if they could help me. And they sent me a little screenshot of this, but then they sent me one thing better, is they actually sent me a KMZ file, which opened up on Google Earth, and I can actually see some of the survey monuments that are on there. So let's just give this a second to zoom in here. And I've already marked the intersection, so we don't have to like watch me zoom here. Basically it's that little yellow stake right here. So this is the survey monument that I could see. It was one of these guys right here. And basically here's the SOMAS washer and grommet that I found. Here's the northing, the easting, and the elevation. And then for my project I just needed to pick 2 more of these that I found. I mean, I could tie in all of them if I want, but I just copied those out to a Word document here. And if I want to bring them into Civil 3D or use them for recap as coordinates, what I'm going to do is actually I just make a quick text file. So inside of this little file, I'll basically go right click and I'll say new. Let's make a new text file here. And then I'll open up this text file, and then you just put it in the format that you're used to using. So I'm just going to use, just to keep it logical, I'm going to use the point number as the point name, and then I'll just put my comma. Northing goes first because I like PNE ZD format, comma delimited. And I'll put another comma there. I have to put in my easting here, comma, and then put in my elevation. I'll put in my comma here, and then I'll add this as my description since they already gave me a description. And I'll go ahead and do that for the other 2 points that I'm going to use and save this file out. So I don't bore you with those grueling details. I already have this file here that's already been created. So then I'm just going to go into Civil 3D itself, and I'll start a brand new drawing here. The first thing I do before I'm going to bring them in is I'm actually going to go to the settings, and I'm going to change the coordinate zone. I don't know why it's saying, let's see, CA83 -VF. So I'm in NAT 83 California State Plains, and I'm going to hit OK. And then that gives me this ability here to turn on the map aerial just to verify that I'm going to be in the right location. The next thing I'm going to do is, once Bing lets me come back here for a second, I'm going to go up to Insert, I'll go to Points from File, and we'll browse to where my little file is here. And I will make sure to specify the correct format, which is the point number, northing, easting, Z for elevation, or Z, D for descriptions, comma delimited. Here's my points and what they're going to look like. That looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and, it's best to add these to a group. I'm going to call this my control group. I'll hit OK, and then I'll go back to my prospector here. I'll go to my points, and I will right click and say zoom to, and then I'll be able to zoom out, and sure enough, there's my intersection with my 3 points.